Alright, I want to apologize for the sound in the background before we start this video. But, let's go. Alright, so I'm going to be showing you guys how to get cool ringtones. And I'm going to be showing you guys mine. Here we go. Alright, so I'm just going to get a video quick.
And you better move proper. Move like you don't fuck with the flocker. Move like he be doing his not.
You could travel the world, but nothing comes close to the golden coast. Once you party with us, you'll be falling in love. Alright, there we go. Okay. Alright, and then what you do now is go to App Store. There's Garage. But you want to open GarageBand and download it. And then that you want to do is download GarageBand. And then you want to do and then you want to download a ringtone maker. Alright, there we go. Okay. Okay. Now you have those done. Go to ringtone maker. Just click this little thing right here. Well, you want to hear on mine?
Until I get the mood ticked off. Alright, we could go.
I like the way your body is that.
She keeps on sexing me.
I am not a king, I am not a god, I am
Dreaming,
Alright,
talking in your sleep. I know you want
click
to
this
cry.
little plus button down here. Import from video or anything that you want. Alright. How do we name them? Click on it, click rename. Then click make, and then share to GarageBand. and then once here, you should see your thing. I have a lot of them, as you guys can see. But you want to find your song, whatever you named it. Long hold on it, bro.
We'll still be friends, right?
You're gonna click long hold on it. And then you gotta click share.
So,
Ringtone.
see you later.
Export. And give this little thing a shorten it down to 30 seconds. Just click that. Okay. You can just click OK, but I'm gonna click use sound as. Use standard text tone. assigned to contacts or standard ringtone. I'm going to click standard ringtone. And boom, now that is my ringtone. So that is it for today. I hope you guys liked it. Please like and subscribe. It would really help out my channel. Thank you. Bye.